Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on a Thursday, March the 26th, 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. Alright, I see here a 5 in this column, a 5 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then a 6 in this row, a 6 in the row below, so in the last row the only two places for a 6 is here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 there. I see here 6, so no 6 there. I see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 1 is here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 is here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There are 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 1 should be here. I cannot continue with the 1. I need more information. Yes, let's continue with another digit 8. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. The 8 could be here or could be there, but I have here also an 8. So no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for an 8 is here, here, or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this middle column. For the numbers 2 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yes, in this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 there, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, we have a 9 over there. So in this column, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for 9, here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 9 is here and there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then the last row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, and 4. I see here 1, so no one there. Here 1, so no one there. Only place for the 1 should be there. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Need to wait for more information. 1 in the last column. 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for 1 is here and there. But I see here 1. No one there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only 3 places for 1 is here, here, or there. I see here 1. No one there. Here 1, so no one there. Only place for the 1 is here. 7, 2, 8. Can I do something with the 8? Yes, 8. In this row, 8. In that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for an 8 is here and there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then these 3 numbers are, the missing numbers are 2, 4, and 7. 2, 4, and 7. 2, 4, and 7. I do not know which place. That means in this column, 1 box left for the number 3. 3 is missing, yes. 2 boxes missing. 2 numbers for this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 here. 3 should be there. And the 5 goes there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see there 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. I see here 7, so no 7 in this box. Only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for 7 is here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 here. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 7 is here. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes here. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 numbers left. No. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9, no, 9 and 8, 6, 7, 4 and 3. 4 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait because I need more information. 4 and 3. Here, 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 here, 2 should be there, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5, I believe, yes, and 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 here, 3 should be there, and 8 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here, 4 should be there. 7 goes here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes here. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright. People, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like. If you want, download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And rest me to say thank you again for watching this episode. And I will see you tomorrow for a new edition, probably with a heavy and a light Sudoku. So until now, thank you and bye bye.